welcome back to another video. There's Pamai behind the camera. I am here today in Sukuta Sabiji. So need a new road there coming to construct. They start clearing the houses for the road construction. As well, you can see some places is breaking. They are breaking the houses. Yeah, when you are new to this platform, please subscribe, comments and share the videos to the foreground of the world. Well, you can see this other road here. I'm riding my bicycle, leading you to Kasumai Junction in Bijilo, and pass through inside Sukuta, Bijilo to the diversion. Okay. And I'm going to take you to Kasumai Junction Cap, as you are seeing me on my bicycle riding, just join me on this journey and see Kasumai Junction. And this road is also connected to the main road, OIC road. So well, yeah, greetings to you all, subscribers, followers, viewers. Well, you can see they are on the construction site. I'm here in Sukuta Sabiji. Well, this road also, when it's done, it will be a very affordable road, the traffic congestion. And this short road here is connected from road to road, right? Now see, let me just cross this road. As you can see, this other road here leading you to Sukuta, main Johnson there, and take you to Chipagaras. This other one here leads to Turntable. And I'm now going to make a cross. See the wonderful job. Yeah, here's a new road connected to OIC road. This other road here, you're having Sukuta and Bijilo. And development is coming on, development on the roadside, development on building houses, development on building shops on the highway. Development is coming a bit by a bit, and that's every Gambian wants. Everywhere to be developed. As you can see, these all are subsidies. Well, here they are doing proper job, proper setting, and knows it work. But as you can see, then everyone is busy. Welcome spot where I'm riding my bicycle. I just put there the black mastic. Yeah, and now you can see here they now put there the black asphalt. Yeah, which shows you that the job is going proper. The job is going great. Well, this same road, as I tell you, is that the same road connected to Bruford Johnson, the main Johnson. Bruford. Last other time I make that video, yeah, I did that video. It lead me to Ghana Town, Bruford Ghana Town, and today, seeing me on this journey, I will show you this road connected to Bruford, main Johnson, Gamtel Johnson, and I'm going to take you to that end to see how riding my bicycle in the Gambia is showing you development. Right now I am now in Bijilo. Well, you can spot that they are walking over there. I know they are making a water tunnel there possible. See Bijilo, how quiet this Bijilo is. Wow. Having nice air. Yeah, well, trying to show you what they are doing. See development. Yeah, this road is smooth to ride, especially a bicycle. Soon, soon, vehicle will start enjoying themselves, and the motorcycle. You can see these other motorcycles are even. Wow, that's a vehicle passing. You don't see. Just trying to say the vehicle will soon enjoy themselves on the road. I just saw a vehicle passing over, and I want a bicycle. And I myself on my bicycle enjoying the ride. I'm showing you the new development going on here in Gambia.